I'm back again, guys.
No annual contract.
No long-term agreement?
No long-term agreement.
Really?
Yeah, why not do this?
Catch.
Sandy.
I'm gonna need to speak to the supervisor.
I am the supervisor.
Fine. Someone I can talk to.
It's not complicated.
Come on, come on.
$5 a month with no annual contract. Only
Come
from
on.
AT&T.
Oh, I love this.
Hershey's is more than chocolate. It's an opportunity to stop and see. That unmistakable taste of Alaska. The bite, the pizza.
Okay, go on. Ice like a patuta. Ice like a patuta. Okay. Sandy, no, not you. Sandy, not you. Sandy, Sandy's behind you. Watch. See, she is behind you guys.
Thank you.
Let's talk about early days of high school.
Okay. Alright.
Let's talk about your cheerleading history.
I was on varsity cheerleading.
So was there ever a point where you're getting huffed around?
Yeah, I was a flyer.
Oh, you were a flyer?
I was small, of course I was.
So what do you call that person
Oh.
to make sure you don't get hurt?
Oh.
Catcher? I don't know.
Spotter?
Spotter.
Oh.
I know more about cheerleading than you.
Oh.
Alright, this category is dedicated to spotters, the blind ones.
Okay.
Okay, send her up and send her low. That she must go. Hey, can you see if you can get your shoe inside my
Oh, I just sneezed to my chest. I'm gonna lay down. It's fat.